How to enable or disable AI generated captions in Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. Today's tutorial video is about how you guys can manage AI generated captions in your Instagram app. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. First step, make sure that the app that you have is up to date to the latest version. If not, you can easily update it through your App Store or Play Store. After doing that, you'll need to locate your Instagram app and then open it up. After you open up your Instagram app, go to your bottom right corner. That is your profile icon. And after you tap on your profile icon, you should be on your profile. Now you can set your app preferences to always show or never show auto-generated captions. So this is for videos, posts, and reels that simply come in your feed. So what you'll need to do is tap on the three lines on the top right. After you're here, you should be on your settings and activity. After you're here, what you'll then need to do is scroll down to the section where it says your apps and media. After you scroll down to your app and media section, tap on accessibility. There you can see accessibility and translations, and there you'll find the captions. Tap on captions. And from here, you will see show closed captions. If you tap on this and enable it, you will be able to see auto-generated AI closed captions for all videos when available. So you can toggle this button on, and now you will be able to see all the captions in your videos and reels that occur in your feed. And you can disable this from right here, and now it's off. And that's how you enable or disable AI generated captions in Instagram. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.